Hey y'all, we going in Roses. I'm going to see what they got. Still decorating my laundry room. I done got started. Now I got to finish it up. I'm just looking for some stuff to go on the walls. Yeah, something to put up on the walls. That's what I'm looking for. So let's just see what they got up in here. I ain't gonna say I'm gonna find anything, but you know, you just never know. I just might. Oh, excuse me. I just might. Just find a little bit of something, you know. Just a little wall decor. They normally have like a good little deal on the little wall decor stuff. So let's see what they got. Go to the restaurant first. You can see how much these little tiles is in here. Vinyl floor tiles. $12.99 for a pack of the peel and stick. What this is? 12 or 20 tiles. Okay. Got some here. Got some here. I think I'm gonna get these here. I got these here too. This one box said $9.99. I wonder if they $9.99. Is this is that the same as the one I'm looking at? Was that the same one? No, they look a little lighter. Those $12.99. Okay. And these maybe $12.99 too then. Yeah. They look the same. They do the same. Some of these right here for $15.99. I think I'm gonna grab this one. I got something similar to this in my house. I already like these here. Those. It was just like this, but it came with something different than this right here. So I'm gonna get this right here. They got some right here for $3.99. They got these up here, but I don't want none. They got mirrors in it for $10.99. I don't want the mirror style. Oh, look at this right here. Laundry same day for same day service. Do it yourself. I like that. $1.99. Got some nice little stuff back here. Little plants and stuff. Laundry signs, what I was looking for. This is exactly what I was looking for. These here. Laundry room signs. I knew I should have came here. $3.99. I knew I should have came here. I knew it. Because they always have stuff like this. But I had to go everywhere else. Then they got one like this, say laundry. And this one $3.99 too. But I ain't really gonna have no shelf. Maybe not. I don't know. But I think I might put this on the wall with those right there. Tie them together some kind of way. Look at here. Little plant, even $3.99. Oh, they got some more laundry signs too. Oh, that's bathroom wash brush. Okay, that's the bathroom. More little laundry signs right there. They got this here. That's cute. $3.99. That's cute. $24.99 for that. They got the little roses over here. They're $7.99. I like those too. The little roses. They got some little butterflies here. Can you see this like this? Like that. Put it together like that. Or put it below. Probably up high though. I'm kind of thinking twice about the other one that I got. I'm like, I don't want it. And then I kind of want that too. I got these vases here, $9.99. And the gold one down. I got this one here. I think I'm gonna get this one. This one here is $14.99. $16.99, 2-inch vinyl blinds. What? 35s by 64s. I need a yeah, I need to get the size of my windows. Probably come back and get these. What this is? Kitchen bags. Tall kitchen bags. I might get some of this right here, $3.49. I may use it to cover the shelf. $10 for $1.99. Look at all. Being fast buying stuff. I think I need one of these. They sell them shorter. One of these so I can clean down inside cups and stuff. Something hard to reach with your hand. Need one of those. Yeah. Alright, so I don't want that one. I want one like this. Or this one right here will work too. Yep, this will work. $1.99. Grab these right here. Pack of ashtrays. You get 3 of them for $1.50. Can't beat that. Trying to get these black ones too. Right though. Need those for my game room. They got them all folded up here. What they got over here? Gotta get out of here in a minute. In just a minute. This is like napkin things. Yep, napkin holders. Out of here. I know I'm about to grab back some candy though. I know I am. How much this garlic powder is? How much is you? And they got the onion powder too. How much is you, child? I don't know. We got to see how much all is. They probably about $3.99. Oh yeah, $3.99 onion powder and the garlic powder, $3.99. Cajun, lemon pepper. I don't know how much this one here is. The complete seasoning. Probably, I don't know how much that is. We're going to see how much that is. Take that on up to the front too. Let's go down here and see what they got on this side. They got an electric kettle. Electric kettle. How much are you? So the price, $19.99. Not bad. Not bad. They got little air fryers and stuff. All the little gadgets. Roses is what's up. They got some of everything. You about can't go wrong in Roses. $14.99 for a can opener. Look at the little deep fryer, $39.99. Let's see what this is. That's a like a warms water, I think. Yep, $15.99 for that one. What that is? Crock pot, $29.99. Toasters and stuff. Oh, they got some nice stuff. I love Roses. This my stuff. I just don't come in here like I used to. You gotta stay out of Roses, baby, because you gonna spend all your little money. But when it's time to decorate, this here is definitely the spot. Okay. I'm gonna grab a jug of bleach. Now I need to get myself up out of here. They got this here little roaster here. $39.99 for a roaster. Alright, let me get up out of here. Hold on, let me see if they got my favorite chips first. I be getting these little skins, not chips, these skins. And they be salt and vinegar, and they be good and vinegary like. The vinegar like. extra. Extra vinegar. That's how I be liking them. So, oh, here they go. No, the deal. That's what it is. They deals. They be so pickly. Right there. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's get on up out of here. And I'm still looking, girl, come get me. I need to get on up out this stove. Oh, girl, I need to get up out this stove. So I'm finally heading out. I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna get ready to go. That's it for this video. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. To the next one, it's your girl Tiana. Y'all be blessed, and I am out of here.